Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a nice fence and grow a garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the ice fence looks like. And if you want to get this fence, you can go to the cosmetic shop. Wait, let me teleport to the cosmetic shop. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the fences, and here you can buy the ice fence, but now it's not restocked. You need to wait until it's restocked here, and it will be resetted in 1 hour and 8 minutes. And when the ice fence appear right here, you can buy it. And from this Christmas update guys, there are some new fans that you can buy from the cosmetic shop. There are the ice fans, and then the Christmas fans, and also the star fans. And yeah, you just need to wait for the fans to restock. Okay, and that's how you can get the ice fence and grow a garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.